This is banging. Check out this bakery. Afghan biscuits. Let me show you. Wow, look at these biscuits. Dash. Wow, look at these biscuits. Ooh. Wow. These is Afghan biscuits. So many options. Oh, and this is the famous karamlol. We'll try that in a minute. Okay, look at me. Wow. Is this baklava?
Baklava.
Ooh, they have baklava here. Wow. Oh, look at this biscuit. Wow, that looks so yummy. That kilo pasudi? Yaksar pinja. So this is 1 kg is 150 Afghanis, which is equivalent to £1.50. Wow. Ooh, look at these chocolate biscuits. This shop has so many options. Whoa. Ooh. If you wanted to get a party cake, look at that. Look at that.
If you want to drink some cola or energy drink.
Oh yeah, Afghanistan is very well known for its energy drinks. Close it before it gets... Wow. Okay. Fine. Let's give it a try. Let's try the caramel. Hey. Okay. I wanted to show you this delicacy. Caramel.
Cream rolls.
Actually, it's actually cream roll.
Roll. Yeah, roll
Yes.
means is the...
Exactly, it's cream roll, but obviously we've changed it into our language and it's caramel. Anyways, let's try it.
You eat the caramel without the mayo.
This is banging. Wow, this is so nice. Look at that. Wow. Flavorful. It's very nice. Try. That's brilliant. Let me try. What do you think, Mama?
It is absolutely amazing.
Yeah?
No. This is awesome.
There you go. So, this is Afghan bakery. Oh look, they have small cakes, and then you have bread. Fantastic. Okay. Should we go?
Yep.
This is Watan Kulcha Furushi, meaning Watan Bakery. in Qalai Wahid, Kota Sangi. If you visit Kabul, if you visit Kota Sangi, this is the place to visit. The shopkeeper is a lovely person, and he's got beautiful cream rolls that you can give a try. All right.